Hi, Sally Lawrence here. I'm here with your tech tip today on how to share Google Docs. So the first thing you need to do is go up here to the corner on the blue button. Go ahead and click on that. The Share Settings dialog box will open up. The first thing to notice is that this is a private document. You can choose to have it be public on the web, or you can choose to send it to anybody that has the link so that they can access it without having to sign in, or you can keep it private, which is what we're going to do. So we're going to go ahead and choose Save here and keep it private, and then we're going to start adding people. Now you can do that by typing in people's names. So let's say, for example, that I want to share this with Diana. I can start typing in Diana, and you'll see that it comes up right away. So I can go ahead and select her. But if I can't remember the names of the other people that I wanted to share with, I can choose from my contacts. Google defaults to most contacted, but in this case I know I'm looking for technology committee members, so I want to be able to share with several different people on the committee. So I'm going to go ahead and select these 3 people. Now you can also choose to save them as a group so that you can use them over again the next time that you need to be sharing with the same people. And that'll save right in your contacts, so the next time you'll be selecting the new group name. So let's say these 3 people are going to be a Google Docs task force, and I already saved them that way. But the next time I can select the Google Docs task force instead of selecting people individually. Once you have your recipients selected, go ahead and choose Done. You'll be back to the share settings. The next thing you need to do is pay attention to the permissions. It's important to understand that whoever is selected in the address box right now all has the same permission level. At the moment it defaults to Can Edit, but in this case I just want everybody to be able to comment. I don't want them to change my formatting. I just want them to comment on the document. In some cases you may only want them to be able to view the document, but either way you can choose that. And if you have certain people you want to be able to edit and other people that you want to be able to view, you just need to go through the share settings twice so that you can change the permissions appropriately for each of those groups of people. I choose to notify people via email, and I suggest that you add a message at the same time. While I'm doing this, I send a copy to myself, and I also paste the item itself into the email. Pasting the item into the email means that if somebody has trouble clicking on the link to be able to access it, at least they can still see the document. From here, you can just choose Add Message, and then you can type in whatever your message is here. So let's say, please review and comment. And in this case, I'm going to discard the message because I don't really want to send this, and I'm going to go ahead and cancel. If I was ready to send, I'd choose Share and Save, and then each of these people would get an email notice notifying them that we had something to look at. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you on the next Tech Tip.